You've probably heard of Buddhism, but have you ever wondered about its different sects? How is Nichiren Buddhism different from Buddhism? Nichiren Buddhism is different from Buddhism because it exclusively focuses on the Lotus Sutra and the chanting of Nam-myoho-renge-kyo. Imagine Buddhism as a big school with different classrooms teaching different subjects. Nichiren Buddhism is like a specialized classroom that only teaches one subject, the Lotus Sutra, and the main activity in this classroom is chanting a special phrase, Nam-myoho-renge Kyō. The Lotus Sutra is like the main textbook in this specialized classroom. It's considered the ultimate guide to reaching enlightenment, which is like graduating with top honors in the school of life. Nam-myoho-renge Kyō is like the school's motto or a special chant. By repeating it, you're aligning yourself with the teachings of the Lotus Sutra, kind of like how repeating a school's motto reminds you of its values and goals. Nichiren Daishonin is the guy who started Nichiren Buddhism. This all began in Japan during the 1200s. Think of Nichiren Daishonin as the founder or the main teacher of this special classroom. He lived in Japan a long time ago, around 800 years back, and he thought this special subject, the Lotus Sutra, was super important. So he started his own style of Buddhism to focus just on that. The Lotus Sutra is super important in Nichiren Buddhism. Example, like having a key to a treasure chest, the Lotus Sutra is the key to enlightenment in Nichiren Buddhism. The Lotus Sutra is like a special guidebook in Nichiren Buddhism. Imagine you're on a treasure hunt, and you find a chest full of amazing stuff, but you need a key to open it. The Lotus Sutra is like that key. It helps you unlock something awesome called enlightenment, which is like finding the ultimate treasure in life. Enlightenment is like reaching the highest level in a video game. It's when you understand life so well that you're super happy and at peace, no matter what happens. The benefits of being enlightened are awesome. Imagine feeling super happy and calm all the time, like you just won the lottery, but the feeling never goes away. You understand things better, so you're not stressed or upset, and you get along with people really well. It's like having a superpower for a great life. Chanting Nam-myoho Renge Kyō is a big deal in Nichiren Buddhism. It's the main activity you do to get closer to enlightenment. It's like a daily mantra that chanting Nam-myoho Renge Kyō is like having a special password that connects you to something amazing. You say it over and over, and it helps you feel better and understand life more. It's like singing your favorite song that always makes you feel good, but this one helps you get that superpower for a great life. In traditional Buddhism, you have a variety of options for reaching enlightenment, much like a shopping mall where you can visit different stores for different experiences. You could meditate, follow ethical guidelines, or study various scriptures. It's as if there are multiple roads that all lead to the same destination of enlightenment. Nichiren Buddhism, on the other hand, is more specialized. It's like a store in that mall that only sells one very specific awesome item, the teachings of the Lotus Sutra. Nichiren Buddhism insists that the best and fastest way to reach enlightenment is through a singular focus on the Lotus Sutra and by chanting Nam-myoho Renge Kyō. It's as if this form of Buddhism is telling you to forget all those other roads. This one is the quickest and best path to your destination. Nichiren Buddhism stands out because it zeroes in on the Lotus Sutra and the chant Nam-myoho Renge Kyō as the direct route to enlightenment. Unlike traditional Buddhism, which offers multiple paths, Nichiren Buddhism advocates for this single, focused approach. If you're interested in diving deeper into the fascinating world of Buddhism and spirituality, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening content.